hungry like a dog, me dog. Me I tell you, hungry, put it on
You do anything for
Alright, watch out,
you.
he do anything, watch out. Spice PM for this people and bring down people. You see me? And the human give money now.
He have one video with RT.
Yes. Ivany, watch out. Him
One blood clot queen. Blamdem. Me I tell you where so good girl though. You know so one day in my RT in a so. I mean I know where you get RT nudes from. We send me RT video when RT a bang one woman. And he kill me high and low for send it all cause RT must have send him $1,000 or $2,000. I guys remember that life that one we ever bring her. RT for send him some money and RT they send him the money. So instead of RT no send him the money, he must leak RT video. And RT must say have your wife and they want nobody see the video. So RT say a liar tell and have no video for leak. So he send me RT video in a Instagram. And when me hope it up, me couldn't believe what me see. And he tell me, Ivany, if you don't make me get my money from him, cause quick bring a little go try case between them. And he said if RT no make him give me money, me for post it. And RT end up send me must say 5 bills or 4 bills or something another. And he said me $1,000 and he said post it. And how me and him for come together. I showed the Instagram they got, the big Instagram they have, and he take that off a cross say. RT no give the money my post the video and then can't post the video because RT said my assume if he put out the video and he send me the video because I want me to put you out so that when me put you out everybody have it so that he can roll with it and blame me. See me I'm smarter than them.
so I said styling pull for me.
Up till this day I don't post it. Them telling me and cheese I did friend. And cheese asked me for the video because RTD send me and cheese money the day. Guys and chatting on a member way up and bling a life and they go try and case and I made it for me Pretti Don liar. RT send cheese money and RT send me money. I never post the video. I'll cheese it come around and friend me. I tell myself I send her the video like she take me and eat. I say no come in I got prison for nobody video.
Bro, I saw the intent bro.
Up till now I still have a video on my phone and I don't post it.
Bro, me and him plan and say we a keep funeral for Shibada and Shay. He said me go buy fish. Rat how much something and me buy them. Bro, you man want me pay him. Me say, bro, me nah do that, bro. Want me go away. So me say, call you go live. Making Nicki Minaj send him must say 4 liar, I must say 5. And the woman a cuss about oh.
I mean I share all love.
They diss me up, they say, yo, I know you make Nicki Minaj send me nothing. And Nicki Minaj do me from 2021. Come live the show. Say man Nicki Minaj a text. Say man Nicki Minaj a text my Instagram and try prove a point to people. In bad mind, bro, call me
about the message them?
When? The message them?
Yeah.
No, like
you know see when to in love
he put out the message. He show him on the live. He put out the message on man Nicki Minaj a text and Nicki Minaj call him. If you send me the run of the yard, he might come back. On the video, human dey on the phone with him and he might tell like say, I'm me and the woman dey on phone. So human they try send out him and Nicki Minaj a dey on call. They try tell people say man Nicki Minaj dey on call. They try feel
yes, man,
bro, Nicki Minaj not gonna trust him again for calling.
Yeah, trust him. You know see when though. When Nicki Minaj did dey on live with him and Destiny coming out the box. I don't remember what Destiny said to Nicki. My screenshot that thank you Nicki Minaj by boy everyone saying but I'm gonna tell you when though Nicki Minaj or him the on live. I don't remember what Destiny said to Nicki or what Nicki said to Destiny. So I guess them didn't want Destiny to come up in the box. Destiny go up in the box like Destiny I said Nicki Minaj why you said that about me I don't like that. So you know Nicki Minaj was saying shut up because I guess it now make Nicki Minaj talk. So she said shut up let me talk. So Destiny say no me come down. So when I say I'm these people them me can't say enough, me can't say I can't this Destiny but you see oh him did I do it too extra, I get too hype. I mean if you see Nicki Minaj go back on Destiny live go say Insta and he love me. I said so where you do that for? You see what me I show you? Just live Destiny you take it out of hand and a class Destiny and I behave the most way. Me I like Destiny. And when me see my class Destiny, me laugh, but at one point you were doing it too, you didn't go too far, it all drying out, you didn't cut so long for it, like it never that deep.
Bro, Ivany, if you still know the tech page, boy, tech, bro, Pink Wall, the fan live, me don't know Pretti Don and Pink Wall like them, my friend. You never hear Pink Wall say nothing bad about Pretti Don yet, never. Never in my life.
Is a Batman own pink wall? Is a Batman?
No, I want that. Some here say I want Batman only. After bring me down over there. Him and blood clot pretty than I bring me down over there.
Every time I make one page, pink wall block me. It's a blogger page and everybody can comment and say something. So why everybody put them opinion, you don't block them, but as soon as I advise my opinion.
No, if you go report that page. That page if you come down off the internet, that page now speak no justice. That page ready for run to bring down people.
It's not a blogger page where don't give a fuck when nobody
a politics page.
Choose who them
it's a politics page, yes, a politics page. That page don't speak no justice. It's a politics page.
Then we post be a negative about me, and when the people them comment, them not block them. But as soon as me comment, me get blocked. Why am I getting blocked? It's supposed to be a free speech because it's a block.
No, I tell say them I'm pretty than a friend, pretty than Noah, pretty than tell me say I'm Batman only. I'm pretty than people, I'm pretty than friend.
Remember say Camille stress pretty than Ahmed, pretty than turn back in a woman and skin out her whole pan life a gift.
Yes, me look how him bring down people and do people.
And the woman is stressing. Pretty than woman saying finger can't stiff like real wood. Pretty than woman left him gone to real cock. Pretty than finger pretty than finger them can't vibrate.
Where they pretty than call me and tell me saying woman a do squash here and the woman a pussy. That thing call me and tell me where they. Everybody say that.
Yes, him woman mad him off for the
everybody say
put on ear and a skin out in down when gender. You never see one butch do them something.
I have to tell you that I'm my only butch of here, so. Pretty than a disgrace to Jamaica, bro. Tell like boy traumatized. If Popcorn then traumatize him and Popcorn hold him down a bush with nobody. If Royal Log then traumatize him at party when Royal Log pull gun pan him. So me fi traumatize you and I'm your friend, John Crow. Me can't just get too much lion a while ago. And me a pull gun pan you.
I pull gun pan him.
Watch it, when I watch it, me show you a video.
But you see, yesterday I asked the people them. Yesterday when they said that people, gunman go pan Pretty than the first thing I said, did they bingo? And when the people them said, I said, I lie. No go so.
Listen here. Watch out, tell me with pan pan every day see gun. Nobody pint no gun pan Pretty than. Time to go carry go keep.
Hold on. I'm glad more make a speech, Blamdem. Glad Nicki Minaj on the live because I wanted to say this. The other day I saw when Nicki Minaj, when you was on live with Pretti Don, right? Pretti Don was saying stuff like Destiny is the one that called ice on people and Destiny is evil because Destiny like to call immigration. And I heard for myself when Nicki Minaj was saying that why is people calling immigration on our own nation? That is not nice. But you should know that Pretti Don herself like to call immigration because she like to send threat to me about immigration. She tell me a lot of times that if I don't stop mix with people, she gonna call immigration on me and she wants to see me at Jamaica for fight me and beat me up. I'm soon get deported and the things them. So the same things that Pretti Don is on live telling you that other people are doing, she is doing the same exact thing. You can type it in on TikTok, type in Pretti Don cussing Ivany and you will see it come up where she said she's gonna call immigration on me to get me deported because I'm not allowing my son to do this. So you can't listen to these people because the same thing that they're complaining that others are doing. Him do the same exact thing. Because what they am threatening me say I call immigration for me to get me deported. So him do the same exact thing. Him do the same. When me I listen, me I say, oh my God, now you just where they say you're gonna call ice for me and you're gonna beat me for Jamaica. Why you even want me come to Jamaica for beat me up? Me running from Jamaica for a better life in America. Why me can't go back to Jamaica in the first place? So why me I go to Jamaica and fight? You in America, me in America. Why not fight in America? Why you want me go to Jamaica? You're bad mind. You're bad mind. Because people
I'm alone one day.
People there when have papers are do better than who have papers. And I don't want him.
You know long Pretti Don live America and I just get a right place to live. That's why I feel talk about it so. Pretti Don big
at
and
least even though Blamdem we cuss we say go look work, at least we know the drama if we get gift. Pretti Don have to cuss out every single body. Everybody. Nobody no one playing a match with you. One time people used to play a match with you.
I say me sorry. Everybody when me cuss me say sorry to. When me
yeah. Look how
me they are good. If one of them me say sorry to, can me get me clout now.
Nobody no one play with Pretti Don, me can check up everybody file and think where am I do. That's not how you don't want to be this reporter, you plan to be reporter and a disrespectful like that.
Pretti Don, me gonna make you one Me go play one voice for them. This up sick white line, my friend.
Blamdem, where you get so much receipt from?
I can tell you, boy. Your boy sick white line with a big pussy clot. Yes, man, him being life, bro. But how him afraid for me sometime cause pain, you know, somebody feel rough with.
You're bad.
Yeah, yes, man. No, the whole of your bumbucklad career.
You're bad.
And what them boy you do for you? No pussy clot talk, and you have your own bumbucklad legacy.
You're bad.
You have your live off of them pussy clad artists, your boy, you look and big ratings from them.
You're bad.
Is them being himself once or ratings, never run a boy sick white line a while ago. And the only thing me not tell him I go suck him mother, I swear.
Pretti Don cannot behave.
But Blam, I that try look for what me see for you. And a European chick depend, like a somebody else. Me da go see one little video where me see like, are you stand up on the car?
Yeah.
Blamdem, you look good enough.
I mean.
But can't say you're handsome enough.
Me no must look good, me no must look
I have
good.
swag in a blood clot.
Yo, Pretti Don know me good. When me a pull up run, Pretti Don in a me big old fat S-class.
You look good enough.
Turn on me S-class Benz, me turn up on.
And
I sell me, I go sell you and get me right and buy a
I
Lambo.
jacket to your thing. But can't say you're handsome under the blood clot, something that you have on for your face. Pretti Don look like
Me S-class, Pretti Don know me big fat Benz. He said Benz when me turn up on, see there. Pretti Don know me good and know me and me money. A bad man, I saw him a try so me train take me a millions to give him. But making on name out him, them a carrying in my name, so you can't get no more tight. Cause name out him, mama.
Look on Pretti Don.
Look at him hungry and broke. Look on him. Bad mind.
No, Pretti Don too bagger. I'm too. You know, so me and Dan never have nothing. Me actually follow Dan follow me, and me and Dan used to play match and we used to alright. But then I realized that Dan check up my family issue. First thing, he used to on my side say, he used to dep on my side say he like, oh, me I do my thing and the boy never give me no when me pregnant. Now in change him mouth and I said me I hide my son from him father and him start this me up and me I say, isn't it the same person? Me still on and play match with me and your friend and you come around and you this me now and follow him. Me I say you're too terrible. I can't be friend.
Bad mind. So me full of watch and chain, me put a me full of watch to blood clot, me put some of them for me chain for pendant.
If you know Pretti Don, you know Pretti Don earnings come only from Facebook. That's what Pretti Don talk about.
Pretti Don tell I say I make 10 grand and 20 grand off a month on YouTube. In lie. Not every artist them now make that off of YouTube.
You not get so much views, you're not getting them. If you go on YouTube and Pretti Don views, you don't get 20K for that.
Tell lie boy I make blood clot say I make
lie
20 grand. You too bumba clot lie.
Lie. And then another thing now. That's why him come on. Nicki Minaj, thank you, baby. That's why him come on TikTok because he realizes that. And that's why people affiliate you and me because we don't hide. I'm not saying everybody should know how much money we make. But at least we come out and make we know say, alright, we have an income on TikTok. So Trim realize say every TikToker I make money now. That's why you see him come over here and I try to do one little thing for get views. But nobody still not give him. Bro, they disrespect so many people. Nobody not give you. That's rude.
Bro, me tell you what Pretti Don never go make no money. Iman Shalom, until then change.
So we pay Shalom.
You know what? Guess why they not make no money? Paya, guess why? Because them are going to them two bumbo clad straight.
And then
militant. Then now play everybody. You have to play.
And then you watch people money. Like me go do my body. You gonna tell me
people money.
You're gonna tell me say my body pop down. If I am making money and I know that my rent is paid, my son alright, I have little change in my saving, grocery there in my house. Why me can't take my money to my body? And my money, you know, even though people give it to me, it's mine. They give it to me, but I do what I want to do with it afterward.
Yeah.
So when y'all watch my money for what the people them a give me.
Yeah.
Yes, bro, still him make money, but him now go do a skin blood clot surgery upon him skin where we are running bleaching cream now work for him.
Bro, in PS, I bought 20 color here, black, white, brown, red. Me I say me blood clot, then I
purple.
Then he not no shame. Copper shot. But watch you know, hear him call me one day. Yo, don't play no match with Jaden. Don't watch what you a make. Watch what them a make. So me I say me bumbo clot.
Yeah, watch what people a make for.
God tell me that thing.
What is that doing for you?
Tell me not to play in a live with them.
You can't stop people earnings. You're going to watch it till you're mad out, because the more you watch, the more you
mad.
What people don't understand is everybody on the platform have their own people that support them. You have your group of people, me have my group of people, Jaden have him group of people. It doesn't matter what you tell Jaden people, them love Jaden for whatever reason, they will always support him. Them love you for your reason, they're gonna always support you. A lot of time them say nobody no forgive me. But it's like you're trying to control people money. It no matter what you tell a man, them love me, even though Barney mix up, Barney this, Barney that, Barney on a self-esteem, whatever. People don't look at that. People love me for me, so that's why they will continue to give me money, because they know what they love. Them see the vibe, them know what them love about me, and that's why them keep on support me. So all I hear these people are saying, don't give that person that, don't give that person that. You cannot stop that. And a people money, a people, like one time them say, only take on hard working money give people. It's not yours. And them work hard feet, so them supposed to can spend it and do whatever they want with it. That's why I tell us what the time when I see them come go, cancel money, don't give far. Me have to laugh off of them. Cause at the haters them I say, so you not give me your money, that's fine. It's okay, you don't have to give me, you've been not give me. But why you think so my people them are gonna stop me? Them not gonna stop. The more you tell them don't give, the more them come give.
Yeah.
Just bad mind.
Bro, to want me tell Nicki Minaj say a gift everybody. Nicki Minaj ever say Blamdem, you are spokesman for me money. Me share with everybody,
you
bro.
You see man that want comments last night. Because when you did add me to the live,
yeah,
and you did go away after you may have played one match,
yeah,
and you go away, I end up say, you know, so me like Blamdem are going now. I mean, I tell the people them say, no matter how you used to come from my life and disrespect me, me never yet once answer you. Me just loyal, make you do what you do. In comment under the video, I give you one from Nicki Minaj. Me say, watch ya, Nicki Minaj been give me long time.
Comment on the video.
Pretti Don.
Allah you tell.
Yes, in comment on one of the video, them I find the blogger page and I say, me forgot suck my mother, give me one from Nicki Minaj. I mean,
traumatized.
Nicki Minaj gives me what the
so I'm traumatized, but yet him a give problems here.
Him a give problems. You know what Nicki Minaj used to give
Britney? Please.
Nicki Minaj used to give Britney. Nicki Minaj just pop up on live one day and just give me. I'm like, you're late. She beat up one time.
What on the Ivany? Somebody screenshot and send me to me, please.
Go send it to you. I go back on the page and
hurry up before you delete it. Hurry up before you delete it.
Go find
it. Hurry up before you delete it. Please fast.
Yeah, I'm coming stuck up.
Then all you feel traumatized, but you watch money same way.
Apply my tell. No, but me know so nobody never come in my yard yesterday. I tell my people them say a lie.
I know yesterday after when it happened. I know yesterday after when it happened.
When you go down, are you going? When you go in my yard? No, yesterday the people them tell me yesterday for live.
Oh.
Me never know said that happened. Me didn't think a pretty that a rebel friend. I thought it was pretty. And when them see a Pretti Don, I ask them say them bingo, and the people them say no. I say them could have bingo can post on him live, and them say sure me not really say nothing. I say I lie them I tell her views him one, cause him want everybody to go over Instagram to go watch and them thing like views him a look views.
True.
You're not partial nobody. Me see make a video one year I say congrats to Mackerel and all Mackerel do good. We all told Mackerel
last time I this Mackerel.
Give him till 1 month after you gonna hear him chat some things. Cause I'm not partial nobody. I'm not partial nobody, I'm just terrible.
Born with them, right now,
him can't go certain parts of Jamaica.
That's just a jealousy I problem. That's all I know. I jealousy. I bad mind them bad mind. You know that for him. So me say it, me know, cause remember then in a text said for me so now since Nicki talk on gift me bad mind start. Remember Ivany. All them for and then I go on. All as gift
alright, let me that's just how it is. Like when Nicki Minaj used to give brick to, they used to talk a lot of things. They said that because what are some of the name?
Because that clout Nicki want and Nicki a big.
No, they never said clout. It was because what a voodoo something there.
Like sacrifice.
Yeah, they might talk about this sacrifice, and whenever people like send, remember so we've been a send Britney request to play match with her long before Nicki Minaj come. Whenever we start send Britney match now, them used to tell Britney don't play with certain people because that's true Nicki Minaj a give you, and I'm like, uno just sick, uno just make it hard for the girl
That's how we play at anybody more play. I said,
yeah, you make it hard for the girl because we've been a play with her as much as we can grow. Because thank you, Mama G, we've been a play with her. So why now when Nicki Minaj a give her, you're gonna tell her don't play with like somebody run up in her just because Nicki a give her? It's not. And them used to tell her one bag of thing, and them tell her if you got gift back Nicki Minaj and send back Nicki Minaj.
I'm not gonna do it. Where one? I think
like last night when Nicki a gift you, one girl come from my live and say, Vanny play Nicki Minaj song, and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna do that because
bro, I'm play Nicki Minaj song. Nicki Minaj song, I'm not play his song.
Yeah, because somebody was telling me way before she come gift me last night, said play her song, and I said no, I'm not.
No, she don't like when I play her song.
It's gonna look like say me I try to buy her out or a gift more from her. That's why if me never did a play her song. I do play her song, but not every time, like 1 and 2 videos.
Bro,
but why am I gonna play her song on live knowing that she a shoot for Blamdem? It would have look like say I'd give more one friend her make me start play her song, and I'm like, you know some setup on, you know I don't, me not play the song, and me never play it last time.
Okay, no matter what she did, I send her 50 line, me not play her song. Me not play my song.
Just look like, I just, because she come for your live, you just want to play her song, no, it just,
hey, what are them
fake, and me just...
I more than do it, and them speak. Nicki not understand me. Nicki Minaj like when you speak. Every time they say Nicki, hey Nicki Minaj, I can hear that. Bro, what's your bumper clap them with cause that human know you for big idiot.
But Nicki
human love you because your bumper clap them with your skin out and you mix up.
She understand She's from the island, she understand.
Cause no bumper clap say me when you see Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj there because I bumper clap them.
Like Shay, hold on.
Hey Nicki, fucking idiot to know. What? No phone a blood clot.